Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I call it the Lamborghini of muscle cars. Got a wing on the trunk, big giant scoops, stripes, sport mirrors. I think that's one sexy car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find all the specs, photos top to bottom, and the pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all on there for sale. We also have plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. Their job is to help you get your dream car. So any questions or concerns, you need financing, you need shipping, we can help with all of that. So go to volocars.com to get the ball rolling and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. Let's take this 7442 for a spin. I have a lot to say about this car. It's been the same owner for the last 18 years. He did a high-end professional body restoration. The mechanics are completely new. It's the same interior as when he bought it, so that's in really nice shape and not brand new, but I'll show you all that here in just a minute. The body and paint was done by Performance Restoration. Gentleman's name is Brent Jarvis. It's a high-end shop. They build high-end cars. If he paints it, it'll look this good for a long time to come. And I'm telling you, this is like liquid red glass is what it looks like. My wife walked past it and I could see her reflection. It's literally like a red mirror. It is glass finish everywhere. There's no bubbling, no popping coming through, nothing like that. You do have a hairline crack here because there's a factory seam here. If you know anything about these, they all flex. Just like a sidewalk, it's all going to crack eventually, and that's just what they do, but it's a hairline crack. But there's no issues with the body, laser straight, gaps are right on the money, new emblems, properly spaced, has 1970 only sport mirrors. That's a genuine ram air hood. They're metal with fiberglass scoops, no stress cracks, new hood pins, all the trim up here. The moldings, the grills, the bumper, the emblems, that's all like new, or was all replaced. Bottom of the hood's nice, has the chicken wire, the functioning ram air cleaner. It's complete even with the heat riser tube. The striping is all painted on, it's all the proper dimensions. Very clean bottom of the doors. Weather strips and window seals were replaced. Like I said, the interior is very nice. Like little details, a little chrome here, you can replace those, but nothing is ripped up or torn or beaten up. It's all very good. But in between these bucket seats here in the console, that's the Hearst dual gate shifter. That's a real cool feature. It's got the sport steering wheel. The dash area is all stock, real nice. No holes cut for stereos, nothing like that. All redone. It's got the notched bumper with the trumpet exhaust tips. Rear spoiler. There's a big, clean trunk compartments, painted nice. New weather strip. Got a new well liner. He said the top pump and hoses were replaced. The interior lights all seem to be working. Mechanicals were all redone. Gentleman known as Fast Frank. He's an Oldsmobile engine builder. He built this engine. He's got a few upgrades in the motor. The specs will be on our website. So the motor is built professionally, and the owner said pretty much from the firewall forward, all the components are new. The alternator, upgraded Pertronics electronic ignition. It's got the shroud with the little bracket, GM hoses, the right clamps, the wiring, everything in here is new looking. It's only about 2,500 miles since the mechanical rebuild. The original Turbo 400 trans was completely rebuilt. It has a 12-bolt posi. It has the rally suspension, which is front and back sway bars with the box control arms. The entire front end, steering, ball joints was all rebuilt. Has a quick ratio steering box. So all the suspension front to back was rebuilt. All the brakes are redone. The brake lines, the emergency brake cables, the brake hoses, their disc brakes in front. It's all been redone. New U-joints underneath there. There's pictures on our website. And the floors look really clean under this car too. Sounds nice. I always say these big block Oldsmobiles, they kind of sound like a boat. They got that real deep sound to them. The flapper door on the air cleaner does open and close to let in the fresh air through the scoops. That sounds nice. I like that. It's got a little bit of a cam. The idle will come down a little bit more once it warms up, but that's a nice sounding exhaust. I think it's a Flowmaster system. Again, go to the website to get all the specs. So there you have it. This is a gorgeous, decked out, red, good looking car, really well restored, turnkey mechanicals. Literally hop in this right now and drive it wherever you want. Same owner, last 18 years. He's done nothing but cherish this car. He had a hard time letting it go. So visit volocars.com to get all the specs. Let us know if you have any questions, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got a lot more great cars to come. Thank you.